Your new toy. Your new toy. You can draw and scribble on it and then erase. Wow.
Whoa.
Whoa, no mess. You can make lots of pictures. It's like a new Etch-a-Sketch. It's called a boogie board.
Papa.
Boogie board, and you press a button and it erases it. So you can have a really fun time drawing. Look at all those pretty drawings. I love. Oh. And then erase. Pew. So much fun. Look at your skills. Look at your skills. And erase. Whoa, she just figured it out, I think. That's amazing. Olivia, press this button. Push. 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 Keep trying. Push the button. Olivia, push the button. Push the button right there. Push the button. Can you push that? Push. Push. There we go. So cool. So cool. Push. 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 There we go. So neat. Push. Push.
G.
Push. Push.
G.
Push. 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 Can you do it? Can you do it? Push. Try again. Push. Push. Yay, you got it. So cool. Push. Push. Push down. Push down. Yay, you got it. Great work, Olivia.